Hey everybody, welcome to Monarch Mom DIY. If you're here for the first time, I hope you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And everybody else, welcome back. Here we go.
Hey everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here today at the end of January to share with you the February Simply Earth recipe box. Now this is not the recipe box, but I just wanted to show you, since just doing this for a few months, the oils that I have, the blends that I've been able to put together based on the recipe boxes from the past, and this is just amazing. $39 a month, a great way to build up your inventory of essential oils to make your home toxin free. So this is a wooden box that is also available through my link. If you decide to subscribe, or maybe you already have oils and you want to store them in a nice way. So today I'm showing you, like I said, the February recipe box. First, let me show you some of the cards that you get in the box. You get a note from one of the certified aromatherapists, just kind of introducing you to this month's box. They do have something new this month also called a Love Gift Bundle. You can check that out on my link. It comes with a few items that would be a great gift for a friend for February for Valentine's Day. We'll get to that one in a second. It's about next month's box. Every purchase from Simply Earth this month is going, well, a portion of the profits go towards ending modern day slavery, and this month's organization is called Disrupting Traffic, which its purpose is to end human trafficking. So that's another thing I love about Simply Earth, is they're really passionate about ending modern day slavery, so they each month give a portion of their profits to an organization that is doing that. I don't remember this coming in any of the other boxes, but I'm really glad that they have started doing this. Basically, I don't know how well you can see this, but it shows you the 4 oils that are in that month's box, and it tells you what they're good for. For instance, we have fir needle. Its uses are for energy, deodorizing, pain relief, decongestant. They do talk about if you need to dilute it in order to use it on your skin, if it's safe for topical use or only diffusing. And it also does talk about for kids, for pregnancy, for cats and dogs, if these are safe and what for. It also tells you the extra items that are included in your box. So before I go to, we'll do the sneak peek of next month's box at the end, but let me show you the oils that you get in the February box. You get frankincense. I have used frankincense for a few years now. It is a wonderful, spicy, woodsy aroma. Let me tell you what frankincense is good for. It fights germs. It's good for pain relief, mental clarity. You should always dilute it before using it on your skin. A couple years ago, I had a really bad cystic acne. This was actually probably 3 or 4 years ago, and I diluted it a couple drops in my moisturizer and just patted it on. Man, that thing was gone within a couple days. So you get frankincense. There is a blend, oh no, this is called Veins. I've never heard of Veins. Let's see, it is a blend. Okay, so it has cypress, juniper berry, and lemon essential oils. Veins says it warms, reduces the appearance of spider veins. That's awesome. I'm gonna have to use that. You want to dilute it, so you could always dilute it with a little bit of your coconut oil or your almond oil that come in your bonus box with your first month subscription. All right, fir needle. I can imagine what this smells like. It smells like evergreen. Fir needle, like I said before, energy, deodorizing, pain relief, decongestant. You always want to dilute this as well. And then this one I'm super excited about. This is called Coffee. It is smaller, in a smaller bottle, I think, because it is a little more potent. The aroma is of brewed coffee, and it warms and invigorates. So we're actually going to make a blend today using coffee for a diffuser blend. And then the other thing we're going to make today on camera real quick is an alert roll-on. So this would be a roll-on that you can carry around with you when you need to like wake up or like be more alert, I guess, is the idea of that. All right, so the ones we're not going to make today just because of time, and these are great things. The whole theme of this month is loving your skin. So all the recipes are based on that. So there is a skin healing body butter that you can make using your fractionated coconut oil, also your solid coconut oil. Both of those come in your bonus box when you first subscribe. So if this is not your first subscription, you already have those. We're going to use the Vein Essential Oil Blend, and you're also going to use a teaspoon of the French green clay. So this is one of the extras that comes in your box here. So this French green clay, you might already know, is used to cleanse and detoxify the skin. Super excited to make that and try it out. All right. Also using the clay is a clay and rose face mask. You're going to use that French green clay and also some rose hydrosol. I have to smell this because I love anything rose. Oh, of course it has a seal on it. Oh, that smells really good. So suggested uses for this, it is, let's see, a natural byproduct in the creation of rose essential oil. So it carries the same benefits as the oil, but in a much gentler form. Use it to replace water in DIY cosmetic recipes or by itself as a toner. That's awesome. You can also add a tablespoon of it to your bath for a relaxing, rosy atmosphere. So you get 2 ounces of this. You're going to use just a little bit of it to make this clay and rose face mask. All right, recipe number 3, a Veins sugar scrub. All you need to add is a container and some, I'm assuming, just white granulated sugar with your coconut oil and your Veins essential oil blend. This is to rub off dead skin and promote circulation and reduce the appearance of veins. So what I'm thinking is you would, if you do have varicose veins on your legs, you could mix this up and as part of your shower routine, scrub it on those areas. All right, an espresso diffuser blend. This is one that we're going to make real quick today, just using our coffee essential oil and our frankincense essential oil and one of our 5 milliliter bottles that came in our bonus box. They even include labels each month that you can then wrap on your bottles and put on the top, like I showed you in my wooden box over here. Okay, all the labels on the top, I think you can see. So we're going to make this one, and like I said, we're going to make the Alert roll-on using Veins, fir needle, coffee, some of our coconut oil, and this time a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle that has the little roller ball in the top. So those are the 2 that we're going to make. Let's see, there's one more. Oh wait, nope, I talked about that one. So there's 5 recipes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 3 that I told you we're not going to make, but everything you need is either in this box or in your bonus box. All right, let me get, oh no, I was right. There is one more. Rose hydrosol bath. For this one, you would use some of the rose hydrosol and just some Epsom salt, mix them together and keep that in a container for a nice bath salts. So lots of fun stuff in the February recipe box. Let me get this set up so we can quick make our 2 recipes on camera. Okay, so the first thing we're going to make is our Alert roll-on using 2 drops of Veins, 2 drops of fir needle, 2 drops of coffee, and then the rest we're going to fill up with the coconut oil. So we have our 10 milliliter roller bottle here, and we'll do our 2 drops of Veins, 1, 2. If you get a little extra drop in there, it's not a huge deal. Our 2 drops of fir needle, 1, 2. Ooh, that smells good. And our 2 drops of coffee. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So then we're going to take the rest of our, not the rest, but we're going to take our coconut oil and just fill it up. Like I always say, not exactly to the top because we want to have room for the stopper so it doesn't overflow. All right, so we will put our, whoops, got to put the ball in first. Here it is. Stopper with the ball. That will roll around, mix it up. And there's our label for the top. And then there is also the label they give you for the side. You have to do it this way. Lists all the ingredients and all that good stuff. Looks really professional. I love it. Don't have to wonder what's in my bottles because it's always labeled. All right, let's quick fur and veins. See, I'm gonna use veins. No, I'm gonna use frankincense and coffee for this one. Let me get set up for our second DIY. All right, so now we're going to make our espresso blend for the diffuser. If you just want to keep your coffee oil and frankincense oil separate, and instead of mixing a blend, you would just do a ratio of 1 drop coffee to 2 drops frankincense in the water of your diffuser, and you're good to go. So it's a ratio 1 coffee to 2 frankincense. So what we did here in our blender bottle is we are doing 40 drops of coffee and then 60 drops of frankincense. So I'm going to speed this up. I already have my coffee in here, and then we'll do our frankincense. Perfect. So these little bottles hold 100 drops of oils. That's where you get the 40 and the 60. And put the lid on tight and just shake it up. I already put the little sticker on the top that came with my February recipe box. And now I'm just going to attach this little label to remind me of the ingredients and what it can be used for. And I just love these sticker labels because they just make it, even the ones I make at home with the recipe box, look so professional. The hardest part is getting it on there straight, but good to go. Just real quick noting other things on here. It does have little symbols to tell you like if it's safe for children, of what ages, if you need to dilute it, and so forth. So this is our espresso blend for the diffuser. It says the use is diffuse in an open room for an energizing aroma, frankincense and coffee. And then again, our alert roll-on that we made using Veins blend, fir needle oil, and coffee oil, and then filled the rest up with our fractionated coconut oil that comes in your bonus box with your first month. And again, we'll put this sticker on for our alert roll-on, so when we pull it out of our purse, we know we've got the right one. All right, you guys, let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about Simply Earth, about the company, about the recipe boxes. Oh, and I said I was going to give you a preview of next month's box. All right, next month's box. So March, the theme will be Mood Boost, supporting your emotional wellness. The oils that we will get in March: Energy Blend, Patchouli, Orange, and Cypress. We will have 6 toxin-free recipes, including 2 DIY diffuser blends, a personal inhaler, roll-on, and diffuser blend. Some extras that will come in the box: an aromatherapy inhaler, some lava beads, and diffuser reeds. That's what these are here. Things you'll need at home to make the March recipes will be a small narrow-necked jar, I'm assuming like this one in the picture, vodka or rubbing alcohol, and string and extra beads for DIY diffuser jewelry. Ooh, that sounds so fun. So February's theme is loving your skin and also kind of energizing with alertness and things like that. But remember the body butter, the clay mask, lots of great stuff in this. Oh, the rose hydrosol bath. Lots of great stuff in this February box. The Veins sugar scrub. So like I said, you can use my link below to order your first subscription, $39. You can cancel anytime, free shipping in the US. What else? When you use my code MONARCHMOMFREE with your first subscription, you will then get a $40 credit for your next box or other purchase, like the nice handy dandy wood organizing box here. And right now I can put my fir needle, my veins blend, my coffee, and my espresso blend we just made. The only thing, oh, they do stand up. I didn't know for sure if the roll-on bottles stood up in here, but they do. So that's awesome. And our frankincense. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy your toxin-free home. Bye-bye.